Hello, everyone. Today, I will introduce to you a software that helps manage multiple Facebook accounts on a single computer. These are the Facebook accounts that I will log into using this software. That's it. And you can open multiple accounts at the same time. You can click here. So, what is the purpose of this software? It will help you control these accounts and automatically perform tasks such as interacting. Yes, interacting, which basically means nurturing these accounts. By making the accounts behave like real users, you can reduce the risk of Facebook restrictions when using them. Here are the features related to increasing engagement. It allows the accounts to like, share, and comment on posts. There are also features for posting in groups, posting on personal timelines, posting reviews, commenting, messaging friends, unlocking accounts. Everything is fully supported. As you can see, the screen is currently displaying the automatic accounts. It can simultaneously open a large number of accounts at once so they can operate automatically. To avoid all cases of being marked as spam, there is a section here called proxy management. In proxy management, you can add proxy IP addresses to help you change the IP address of each account. Each account will have a different IP address, which helps prevent Facebook from scanning and flagging your accounts as spam. For example, if you do marketing, you often post in various groups, right? Posting and commenting in these groups, but you often encounter the situation where Facebook blocks you. It blocks you from posting, blocks you from commenting. And when that happens, your account is very likely to get flagged. Here, there is a feature for content management. We also support you in adding spin type content. That's it. Spin type content can randomly change the wording continuously, or you can use AI to alter the content each time you post. The idea is that every time you post or comment, the content is a little different. That way, Facebook won't detect it as spam or mass posting in bulk like that. That's it. So by doing this, when you post, your post will actually be effective and get more reach, and you won't be flagged as spam. For example, in addition, there are features here related to unlocking or locking accounts. During the process of running, you might get locked out with error 956 or 282. These are actually very normal because essentially these locks are just Facebook asking you to verify your identity. If you are the real owner, have the correct email, and your identity is genuine, then you'll be allowed to continue using the account. So you don't need to worry about this issue. The software will support you by automatically unlocking accounts, for example, by retrieving codes from your email or adding the 202 fragment automatically. You need to use this feature. The more you unlock, the more you prove you are the legitimate owner of the account, and later on, your account will be much more robust and won't get locked anymore. There are also other features here, such as changing account information, avatar cover photo. Then there are settings for privacy and personal page. There is also another feature, which is the account cloning feature. This feature helps you by allowing you to input an account link here, and it will automatically fetch posts from that account and repost them. I guarantee that it will help you automatically build profiles for accounts, cloning one account into hundreds of different accounts. That includes changing emails, changing passwords, and updating information to secure the accounts when you purchase them, when you buy accounts. So this is just a tool that has a full range of features related to accounts and supports you in using multiple accounts efficiently without having to manually operate any account. If you want to experience it in more depth, you can contact me. I'll leave my Telegram in the comment section below. I will guide you through a demo and let you try out the features.